Choose to rent. Advancing events through technology.
Proper badge loading is the most integral part of a successful badge print. In this video, we'll cover the proper loading and calibration of fanfold badge stock. Open the printer by pulling the release levers forward. When inserting badge stock into the printer, it is important to make sure the direction marks are facing down and to the front. Pull the stock through the back of the printer. Adjust the guides to the badge stock size. Leave about 1/4 inch of paper extended beyond the lip and close the printer top. To begin calibration, go to Settings, Media Type, and Set to Mark. Make sure print mode is set to tear off to avoid wasting badge stock during calibration. Navigate back to the home screen and click on the Tools icon. Scroll to the Manual Calibration tab and press Start. Tap on the pause button 3 times, and the printer will begin to calibrate with fanfold badge stock. For a quick calibration, hold the pause and cancel buttons for 2 seconds. The printer will advance the stock and calibrate. Open the printer, roll back the badge stock, and realign with the guides. In the Settings menu, navigate back to Print mode and set it to Cutter. Verify a successful calibration by advancing a badge by pressing the Feed button. When the cutter does not cut on the perforated line, navigate to Settings and adjust the tear-off number till you have the desired result. Your printer rental comes with a darkness level default of 10. It is not recommended to increase the heat level above 20. More heat causes residue buildup on the print head, which requires more frequent cleaning. When resetting the printer to factory settings, navigate to the Tool menu and scroll to Load Defaults. Make sure it's set to factory, press Load. Then Yes on, Are you sure? The printer will begin to reset to its default factory settings. When resetting to network factory defaults, press and hold the cancel and pause buttons while turning on the printer. Hold until the first control panel light turns on.